Today, I'm gonna show you how to turn this drinking straw into this, a geometric lump. These are the necessary materials we will use. We'll need approximately 15 to 18 drinking straws. Cut it into 22 cm, 10 cm, 8 cm, 4 cm, and 2 cm size. We'll need to have 6 pieces per size. Make sure you do not throw away the scrap straw as we will be needing it later. We also need an Edison lamp or LED light bulb, bulb socket or receptacle, copper wire about 0.4 mm or 0.8 mm in size. This is also known as florist wire. Please note that we cannot use thick copper wires as this will make it hard to bend and cut. Prepare your scissors and pliers as we will also be needing it for cutting. First step is to get the 10 cm straw, thread along all 6 pieces, and bend the wire as you add the straws. Lock both ends by twisting the wire together and cut the excess wire. You have now your first hexagon. Next is to get the 8 cm straw, thread along all 6 pieces, and lock both ends by twisting the wire together and cut the excess wire. Now get the 2 cm straw and thread along all 6 pieces and lock both ends. Now you have 3 hexagons with different sizes. Now we are going to connect these hexagons together. First is you get the 10 cm and 8 cm hexagons. Get the 4 cm straw as we are going to use it to connect the 2 hexagons. Pass the wire through one side of the 10 cm hexagon. Insert one of the 4 cm tubes. Then connect the wire to the second hexagon, the 8 cm. Then insert another 4 cm tube. This will connect the 2 hexagons. Tie both ends of the wire and cut the excess wire. Now do the same process to the remaining sides. Once all sides are complete, we are now going to connect the small hexagon. We will use the 22 cm straw to connect the small hexagon to the base. Insert the wire through the 22 cm straw and connect it to one side of the small hexagon. Insert another 22 cm straw. Connect the wire to the base, then tie both ends of the wire and cut the excess. Do the same process to the remaining sides. complete assembly, you'll notice that the lamp will be a little bit soft and awkward. Don't worry or be anxious about it because we are going to solve this problem. Remember, I asked you to not throw away the scrap straw? We are going to cut small pieces of the scrap straws to fit all the corners. Cut one small size of straw and make a T shape. We will start filling the bottom part. Insert the T-shaped straw to the three ends. This will connect the three sides and cover the wire. Follow the same assembly system to the remaining corners. For the middle layer, get one small size of straw and cut a cross shape. Insert the cross to the four ends. Follow the same procedure to the remaining corners. For the top layer, cut again a T shape and do the same process like what we did with the bottom layer. After filling all the corners, now your lamp will be firmer. With the lamp ready, it's time to install the electrical part. Pass the electrical wire under the light fixture and fit the LED light bulb. This is the result. A beautiful and super modern lamp. You can use it in your bedroom, living room, or kitchen.